you looking to start a new fitness journey? Congratulations, you're taking a big step towards challenging yourself and building a healthier lifestyle. At 7th Wellness, we know that taking that first step can be the hardest. That's why we're here to provide you with the best advice and guidance to get you going on your healthy fitness journey. We believe that everyone's fitness goals and capabilities are always evolving. That's why we believe that starting and sticking to a regular fitness routine is key to improving your overall wellness. First and foremost, start by finding an activity that you enjoy. If something feels like a chore, you won't stick to it for long. Once you've enjoyed something, whether that be running, weight training, yoga, or swimming, schedule it into your calendar and make it part of your routine. Remember, consistency is key. Remember to start small if you've never exercised before. You don't have to start with a 2-hour heat class or 5-mile run on your first day. A simple 20-minute home workout can help you ease into your routine while still getting in a good sweat session. Motivation can be hard. So turn on your favorite music and keep track of your successes. For example, write down your results or take a before and after photo to really get to experience your progress. Celebrate the small wins, they all add up in the end. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself. Fitness goals take time and require commitment and patience. Don't be afraid to take breaks if needed and move on to something else if the activity isn't what you expected. At 7th Wellness, we want to remind you that there will always be roadblocks that prevent you from reaching your fitness goals. But if you remain consistent, focus on progress rather than perfection, and work on creating a sustainable routine, you'll be able to reach your goals in no time. Best of luck to you on your fitness journey.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up